Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is me, your friend Hdsthanbang. You are welcome to this Karbi reaction videos channel. Today I'm going to show you in this video the most talented and a lot of followers, lots of viewers getting from the top. I think the top YouTubers in Karbireactionvideos. Ruplin'S, as you know that you have already watched her many videos, and she is a very talented, and here I want to show you in this video. And her mother wanted to celebrate the party because of getting the her daughter got a 40k subscribers, so she decided to celebrate as a party. So in this video you can see that her mother asked her to go and invite one of. After that one of them invited for a party, but here this party did not go well. Actually this party is meant that because they are happy because they are getting 4k subscribers. But in here you can see, but it is not a serious, it is just acting. But here in contents, in this video contents is said like that when the party started a fight because of like that. So I think and we can enjoy watching this video. This is very fantastic, very good, and also I also want to come on, let us watching this video. Okay, come on, there we go. Now you look here, they're fighting. Actually here they fight because of no salt in the curry. As he's saying that, why do you invite me? You don't know to cook. That is something. So anyway, the video is very good. Yeah, and at last here how they have gone fighting. But instead this what call as the sister defeated to the Ruplin'S mother. I think Ruplin'S mother. She came with the preparation. She came with the preparation and defeated. Yeah, it's very funny. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video, and trust me, Ruplin'S, I will be reacting to your more videos in this Karbi reaction videos. And if you like my reactions video, then you can subscribe to my channel and make this my channel to get 1k subscribers. Since this is a new channel, I don't have any subscribers, but I try to make the best video. I try to bring the best video for my subscribers, my few subscribers. I have only few subscribers. I don't get like you got 40k subscriber. I don't get, but I hope I will be getting. And if you watch this video, please support me to get a subscriber for my channel also. Thank you. See you next video. Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is me, your friend Hdsthanbang, and you're watching the Karbi reaction videos channel. If you are new in this channel, I welcome you and I invite you to like this video and subscribe this channel to be a part of this Karbi reaction videos family. And if you are my subscriber, I thank you for supporting this channel to grow and watching all my videos. And I hope you are fine and will keep supporting to grow this channel. Thank you so much.